Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're doing some chores. Happy Sunday. I hope everybody's doing great and you're having a great weekend. Today is super early. Can you hear the beautiful sounds? But it's chilly too. It's around 30, maybe 34, I think, when I checked. So this hopefully is our last really cold evening, and it is now time to finally start getting some plants in the ground, so I'm looking forward to that. But today is just going to be a quick let's go do chores video. See what life is like here in the mornings with that mundane daily grind of doing chores. I always start out in the garage. This, unfortunately, is my kitty litter box cleaner assistant. How hideous is that? Everybody's piled up waiting to go outside. We have to wrangle this little fellow up. He was just hounding and harassing the cat and the dog. And the key is to get it done before this one eats the rabbit food out of the cage. And the other key is to do it before this one escapes out the cat door. Enjoy some beautiful Indiana farm country scenery. Have to feed the birds. I use this woodpecker suet, black oil sunflower seeds. This is a little fruit and nut mix that the nuthatches and woodpeckers love, and of course, peanuts for my blue jays. They love those. And last but not least are some mealworms for the bluebirds. I put my bluebird houses up after having them down a few years because of constantly fighting with the house sparrows. So one of my new daily chores has been pulling out the house sparrow nest every morning. I'm very excited to report there's nothing to pull out today. And yesterday I saw the bluebirds back on this box hanging around. So maybe we'll get it to work. I'm checking the rain gauge, which is frosted over. We definitely got some frost here. And we have nothing. How do you like my incredibly sophisticated chore wagon? It's got water, it's got feed. What else do you need? Stop one is what used to be Steve's garage. Hi guys. See how much this pile has shrunk? It's the end of April, time to refill it. Okay, now is the age where they start emptying out their feed by the time I get back in here. And they are 3 weeks old, which is just about what I thought. So now is when I'm gonna start throwing in some scratch grinds and getting them moving. It may be too late at this point. Look how fat these things are. They've just learned to sit and eat a little too long because of the weather and the delays, but I'm still gonna try to redeem them. Today is the big day. It's time to start merging these two flocks back together. But then the work is never done, is it? Have a great Sunday, guys. Catch me on Tuesday for a new video called Use It or Lose It. Have a great rest of the weekend. Thanks for watching.